Hey guys, it's me Risa. I hope you're doing well and staying on track. One of my favorite breakfast, brunch, lunch, after a workout, hello, I just worked out, is waffles. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple, quick, versatile, delicious, high protein peach waffle. How does that sound? All right, so what are you going to need? I love my little mini dash waffle maker, and I have it heated and I've sprayed it really well with whatever cooking spray you have. You're going to need 1 large or extra large egg. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Again, it's versatile. You can use whatever milk you want. I'm adding a splash of some vanilla and like maybe a half a teaspoon, whatever you like, because I like flavor, of course. 2 tablespoons of Lakanto Monk sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of some cinnamon and a pinch of salt, because I don't want to forget, I like to bring out the flavor, and just mix that up. And I'm using a 1/3 cup of peaches, and I have all my ingredients right here to show you. Now, if you have fresh peaches, use fresh peaches. If you want, I found this no sugar added sliced peaches, and I'm using a 1/3 cup. The other option is you could also use a 1/3 cup of peach preserves, and that would be delicious, right? You know, I always give you options, and just mix that in. Okay, I really love a high protein waffle pancake flour, and I'm using Flourish, but again, you have Kodiak. You want to use a 1/2 cup of regular flour. You can also use almond flour or a gluten-free flour. Of course you can, all right? So we're just using a 1/2 cup, and you'll probably get about 6 waffles. And we just mix, mix, mix. You saw that literally took what? Not even a minute to make, and you just mix that up so you have a nice batter. All right, I'll just put that over here. And I like to usually measure out my waffles, especially if it's a mini waffle maker, with a 1/4 cup or so, you know, again, depending on what kind of waffle maker you have. If you're using a big one, and you let it sit. Don't open it up. Let it just bake, all right, for about 3 to 4 minutes, and repeat, and we'll be back. I'll be back to show you how they look, okay, with toppings that you can put on. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. And I'm back with my delicious waffles. And my 6th one is cooking right now. So I was correct with 6 beautiful waffles, mini waffles, but they're not so mini. They're actually quite a nice size waffle. And if you're baking for a lot of people, you can double or triple this recipe. And what I like to do, and this is my hint, or my tip, is just put your toaster oven on, or your big oven, put it on a cookie sheet on some parchment paper so they stay hot. And if you want them even crispier, again, you can put them in your toaster, and you can freeze them for another time, put them in a sealed container or in a baggie, so then you'll have them to whip up anytime you want, right? So I told you I would have options for you afterwards. You know, and we eat with our eyes. So, you know, you want to have a cute plate, or, you know, I mean, I'm just showing you on my cute little stand that I have my nice waffle. And if you want to, just sprinkle on a little bit of Swerve icing sugar. That's an option, okay? You can also add some extra peaches, even just on the side or on top, okay? These are a little slippery, but they are super delicious, so you can do that. You can drizzle on your favorite syrup, and this is my favorite one, is the Joseph's sugar-free syrup, but you can use regular syrup, maple syrup, all right? And I mentioned to you before the peach preserve, Smucker's. I'm telling you, this one is absolutely delicious, and for a tablespoon, only 10 calories. So on WW0 Smart Points. You can also add a little bit of your favorite whipped cream, all right? Or, and it's only for 4 tablespoons, it'll be like 1 Smart Point, or your ultra light Cool Whip, which doesn't melt as fast, all right? And I use Cool Whip in everything. And for 4 tablespoons, also on WW Wellness That Works, 1 Smart Point. So you can decide what you want to do, if you have frozen yogurt or just plain yogurt, or you can even add some of my homemade granola. So check out that recipe. You can sprinkle that in as well, all right? And you could add some cocoa if you want to make it chocolate or cinnamon. You know, it's endless and versatile, right? And I think this one is ready. So I just wanted to show you, hopefully you can see, this is hot. So I just want to show you, here's my little Dash waffle maker, and I'm just gonna unplug it now. And here's my last waffle. So it makes 6 nice, beautiful waffles. And I'll just quickly bring this up to the camera so you can see how gorgeous they are. All right, and you can use whatever topping that you like and enjoy this simple recipe, okay? And again, don't worry, you can use other products. And if you're on WW, Wellness That Works, this is 4 Smart Points for the purple and the blue program. And if you change the egg to egg creations or egg beaters or a 1/4 cup of egg whites, it will also be 4 Smart Points. Otherwise, for the egg, it's another 2 Smart Points. So again, really low in calories, but high in protein if you use a high protein mix. Okay, this is 23 grams of protein. Anyways, that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my channel with everybody who's on a health journey, even if you're not on WW. And tag me when you post my recipes. I love seeing when you make my recipes as well. And comment below. If you change it up, comment below. Even if you keep it the same, comment below. Mwah! Bye for now, guys. Love you.